Imagine having WhatsApp right on your desktop, ready to go whenever you need it, no phone required. Well, it's completely possible with Windows 11, and I'm about to show you how to set it up in the easiest way possible. Alright, let's get started. Click on Search and type Microsoft Store. Then, click on Microsoft Store from the search results. Once Microsoft Store opens, you'll see the search bar at the top. Click on that and type WhatsApp, then hit Enter. You'll see WhatsApp in the search results, so click on that to open the WhatsApp details page. Once you're here, click on the blue Install button. The WhatsApp app will start downloading and installing automatically, as shown with the progress bar. So just be patient until it's done. When the WhatsApp installation is complete, the button will change to Open. To launch the application, click on Start, search WhatsApp, then click WhatsApp from the results. The welcome screen will pop up. Just click Login to proceed. There are two options to log in. You can log in by scanning the QR code or by using a phone number. For me, I'll scan this QR code to log in. And you have it! The WhatsApp application is now launched on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.